Guy Fieri may be known for getting cooking oil on his apron, but engine grease comes a close second with the way he dives into cars. His collection is packed with classic American muscle, custom-built hot rods, and vintage trucks, all sitting in a garage that looks like a roadside diner with tables, a 42-inch flat screen, a bar, and a beer keg cooler. With 6 hit shows and a net worth of $80 million, he can easily grab rides most people only dream of. Watch till the end to see how even Jay Leno showed up at Fieri's place to check out his favorite cars, Chevrolet C10. Guy is famous for his signature style featuring frosted blonde spiky hair, flame print shirts, and his catchphrases like Flavor Town. But even the spiciest car of his collection is not the one you expect. The most surprising ride Guy owns is his Chevrolet C10, and that's because you have never actually seen it. It is not even in one piece right now. This truck is literally split apart, waiting for its big comeback. Guy himself sounded super excited when he talked about it. He said, "It has straight sides, no step sides, big block, all custom, but in pieces. Engine's built, tranny is sitting on the shelf. There's no one single piece attached to any other piece. The tires aren't on the rims aren't on the axles. The axles aren't under the truck, and the frame is completely powder coated. Everything's done, but it just has to be put together. This is going to be a sick custom hot rod." So while fans keep spotting his flashy rides on the road, this one is quietly waiting to be reborn into something wild. Chevrolet Impala SS. Out of all the yellow rides in his garage, this one instantly stands out because it is one of the few cars that is not yellow at all. His 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS is one of the few cars in his collection that goes low-key, looking more generic compared to his usual flashy machines. But Guy loves it for exactly that reason. He once called it the perfect mix of muscle and luxury, and that is what makes it special to him. The Impala SS came back in the mid-1990s when GM decided to revive the old badge and create a family-sized muscle car at a time when muscle cars were mostly smaller Camaros and Corvettes. Guy's black 1996 model shows that sometimes you don't need bright paint to grab attention. Pontiac Firebird. Guy Fieri's black, 1968. Pontiac Firebird is a full pro dragster with a complete cage, built only for people who can handle serious muscle. This is the kind of car enthusiasts dream about, but know better than to mess with. Guy himself once said, "This car was built to go fast. It's all muscle, all heart." The engine is a beast, and when you rev it up, it just growls. It's got that raw, untamed power that makes you feel alive every time you take it out. And he is not exaggerating. The Firebird carries a 5.7-liter V8 engine, pushing out 340 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. With a 4-speed manual transmission, it can go from 0 to 60 in just 5.5 seconds and hit a top speed of 124 miles per hour. This car belongs to the very first generation of Firebirds, which set the tone for Pontiac's muscle legacy. Chevrolet Corvette C6. The car that Guy Fieri loves taking out for a spin is his bright yellow Chevrolet Corvette C6. He has a lot of Chevys, but this one is special because he enjoys the pure thrill of driving it. You may have even spotted it in a YouTube video where Guy himself said, "I couldn't have the Targa top with the Z06, so I had to decide, what do I want, 400 horsepower or 500 horsepower?" His Corvette is the 2013 Chevrolet Corvette 427 Convertible Collector Edition, built in collaboration with Chevrolet and revealed at the 2012 SEMA show with input from Guy. This model was known as the fastest and most capable Corvette convertible ever made at the time, combining the power of the Z06 and ZR1. Talking about it, Guy explained, "We've done a few upgrades to the Corvette, including performance tuning and some aesthetic changes to make it even more unique. It's a car that's already amazing, but with a few tweaks, it becomes a personal expression of my style." Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Convertible. This one was Fieri's first car that he bought at the Barrett-Jackson auction, and it happened to be his birthday the same day. Could it have been any better? Imagine celebrating your birthday by driving away in a Corvette. Even though Guy is known as a Chevy guy and usually loves talking specs, this time he stayed quiet. Not much was revealed about this Stingray. What we do know is that unlike some of his other flashy rides, this one keeps it simple. It's yellow, but it doesn't carry the racing stripes his other cars show off. 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo. Guy Fieri's 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo wasn't wrecked or sold. It was stolen by a 16-year-old kid. And not just stolen, this teen rappelled down the side of a building, like something out of a movie, broke into the Lambo, killed the alarm, and drove it straight off the dealership lot. For almost a year, people spotted this bright yellow beast flying across places like the Golden Gate Bridge, while police couldn't catch him. Guy recalled, "My friends call me and say, 'Listen, I just saw your car.' And I'm like, 'Believe it or not, there's more than one yellow convertible Lamborghini.' Well, come to find out that he was driving it. Brave kid the thief, Max Wade, was finally caught, and the Lambo was found in his storage unit. But by then, Fieri had already settled with insurance, so the car was gone for good. Wade was charged for the theft and got life in prison for attempted murder. Outside court, Guy told reporters, "There are other facets to this case that are far more important than my car." 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Coupe. This is his first hot rod, and he bought it from a neighbor by paying $12,000 and adding a full year of free meals at his first restaurant. Painted bright yellow with bold rally stripes running through its entire length, Fieri even gave it a name and calls it Baby. This Chevelle is the one that started everything for him. In a recent interview with Graham Bensinger, the same car was seen shining inside Guy's two-story garage. Car lovers still dream about owning this model, and it often shows up in features and interviews with Fieri. Most importantly, Guy has said he will never sell Baby. In his words, it is not going anywhere. 1934 Buick Feton 98C. The most recent addition to Guy Fieri's garage is a rare 1934 Buick Feton 98C. This black beauty instantly grabs attention because very few of these luxury flagships from the pre-war era have survived. In a video tour, the car looked stunning and incredibly well preserved. The 98C was one of Buick's top models at the time, and today it is considered a rare artifact of American automotive history. Guy knows exactly what he has got, which is why he keeps it in pristine condition and does not take it out for drives very often. It has been featured in interviews, video tours, and even in specialty car collection write-ups. As fans said after seeing it, he is definitely not letting go of this one anytime soon. Rolls-Royce Wraith. When Guy Fieri calls a car one of the greatest in the world, you know it's something special. That's exactly what he said about the Rolls-Royce Wraith parked in his garage. It is a modern-day marvel, finished in a striking dual-tone design with a black body and a silver hood. It looks way more elegant than some of his flashy yellow cars, and truly feels like a masterpiece fit for a super chef. And think about it, who would have thought that a kid who started selling soft pretzels from a bike cart he built with his dad in Ferndale, California at age 10, would grow up to own one of the finest luxury cars on earth? Guy didn't go into too many details, but his words alone show how much this Wraith means to him. A perfect symbol of how far he's come. Apocalypse Hellfire Truck 6x6. The wildest beast in Guy Fieri's garage has to be the Apocalypse Hellfire Truck 6x6. He calls it the nastiest one in his collection, and you can see why. This monster is based on a Jeep Gladiator pickup, but turned into a 6-wheel drive tank by Apocalypse Manufacturing in Florida, a company famous for building outrageous 6x6 trucks. This truck has infrared night vision cameras, so nothing hides in the dark. In the back, there's a pull-out kitchen with 2 pizza ovens and a grill, because of course Guy Fieri's Apocalypse truck has to cook food on the go. You also have seats wrapped in cowboy saddle leather, stamped with his Knuckle Sandwich brand logo. Guy even says, "This one's ready for D-Day." On the road, it looks and feels like a tank, and trust me, no one dares get in its way. Apart from all its power, Fieri uses his vintage fire trucks to protect his estate from wildfires and assist evacuees with meals, showcasing his hands-on and community-minded approach. 2007 Shelby Cobra 427 SC. The only Ford-powered car that stands tall in Guy Fieri's GM-loaded garage is the black 2007 Shelby Cobra 427 SC. And guess what? Carroll Shelby himself gifted this Cobra to Guy. It all began when Bill Denbest, owner of Denbest Motorsports and Guy's neighbor, introduced him to Shelby. The two hit it off right away and built a strong friendship. In an unforgettable gesture, Shelby handed over one of his most iconic creations to Guy. Guy even joked that the custom chili kit of this car probably had his name written all over it. 1941 Cadillac Limo. This one is priceless because it is a gift from his wife on his 54th birthday. This limo originally belonged to the DuPont family and has never been repainted or restored. Yes, it is still in its original condition from over 80 years ago. Finding a car this old, untouched, and still running is almost impossible today. Back in 1941, this was Cadillac's flagship, famous for its handcrafted build, the sleek torpedo body style, an egg crate grille, and inward headlights that were considered modern design at the time. Guy once said he drives every car in his collection at least once a month. So just imagine seeing this Cadillac in motion after all these years. 1977 Pontiac Trans Am, Smokey and the Bandit. Does this car even need an introduction? Guy Fieri owns the legendary 1977 Pontiac Trans Am, Smokey and the Bandit edition, the same car that became a cultural icon after Burt Reynolds drove it in the 1977 film Smokey and the Bandit. This was Guy's childhood dream, and the moment he finally got his hands on it, he knew it was something special. The car looks dazzling in jet black, with the famous Gold Eagle decal on the hood, often called the Screaming Chicken. To complete the look, it has matching golden wheels that shine just right against the black body. The Hearst T-tops and the Y82 Special Edition details made this Trans Am an instant American muscle legend. Guy himself says this beauty was not to be missed, and he was right. In 2020, Fieri appeared on an episode of Jay Leno's Garage, but instead of heading to Leno's, Jay came to Fieri's place in Santa Rosa. Inside a refurbished round barn from 1891, Fieri proudly showed 5 cars closest to his heart. Which one did you like the most? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more celebrity car collections you won't want to miss.